Hello, today we will guide you through how to send free SMS from Gmail. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to use Gmail to send a text message by addressing your email to a phone number through the recipient's mobile carrier SMS gateway. This can be a helpful option if you need to send a short message from your computer instead of your phone. Before you begin, make sure you know the recipient's mobile number and the correct SMS gateway address for their carrier, since both are required for delivery. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once Gmail loads, make sure you're signed into your account and looking at your inbox. From here, you're ready to create a new message, just like you would for a regular email. Next, click the Compose button. This will open a new message window where you can enter the recipient information and write your message. If the Compose window appears in a small pop-up, that's completely fine. You can continue working in that format. In the To field, enter the recipient's phone number followed immediately by their carrier's SMS gateway address. This is the key part of the process because it tells Gmail to route the message to the recipient as a text instead of a standard email. Be sure to type the number carefully and use the correct gateway format for the recipient's mobile provider. Even a small typo in the number or the carrier address can prevent the message from going through. After that, type your message in the email body. Keep your message short and clear, since SMS messages often work best with brief text. A concise message is also more likely to display properly on the recipient's phone. It's a good idea to avoid unnecessary formatting, large signatures, or long paragraphs because those may not translate well when delivered as a text message. Once your message is ready and you've double-checked the recipient information, click Send. Gmail will send the message, and if everything was entered correctly, the recipient should receive it as an SMS on their phone. If the message doesn't arrive, the most common reasons are an incorrect carrier gateway address, a typo in the phone number, or carrier limitations on email to SMS delivery. In many cases, reviewing the address format and trying again will solve the issue. That's all it takes to send a free SMS from Gmail. With the right recipient details and a short message, this can be a quick and convenient way to reach someone directly by text from your inbox.